40 miles, wings, beer, the best.
What's up mga Kaludski? Good morning. Today we have a birthday ride today. Anong birthday wish mo sa birthday celebrant today?
Happy birthday, Kuya Vince.
Okay.
45th birthday.
Ilan?
45th?
45th? 45th birthday, Kuya Vince. Wish namin dalawa ni Biker Old na always in a good health, always pugi, and always new bike. Here we go mga Kadudski, start na kami. Rider up Canyon team.
Yeah, Friday night.
May naka-injuries sa likod ko. Naka-ultimate. Ako naka-aerod at saka si Ivor.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Update mga Kadudski, 18 miles na tayo. 2 more miles na lang at sa ballpark na tayo. Okay? So, Kuya, ano ang birthday mo wish mo kay Kuya Vince?
Good health and happiness. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
6.5 hours later.
Here we go mga Kadudski. Pabalik na kami. Uwian na. So ayan, let's go! mga kaludski, siguro ang mangyayari ngayon habang pauwi kami sa park, may kunting tailwind, banatan to. Maya maya magka hiwa-hiwalay na itong grupo.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Tour de Lando Lakes. The trek group is right in front of the peloton, and right now the canyon group is trying to pass the gap. They're protecting the leader right now, Ibor Kilab.
Okay.
Remember, he is the number 2 in the general classification right now.
Oh wow.
They're trying to protect that guy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Look at that. It's only 5 seconds ahead, and right now Canyon is trying to reach the gap. Ibor Kilab is the man to watch right now on this peloton. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch it out. Okay.
We're almost close.
Yeah. Right now.
Here we go. We're close now. We catch up.
Now they're catching up. Now they're in one peloton.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for a girl on.
Okay, yan. Tapos na kami sa ride. At yun nga, nagkatotoo yung prediction ko kanina na magkahiwa-hiwalay na kami papunta dito pabalik. So ngayon, nasa loob na tayo ng sasakyan at sinasabi ko kanina na may birthday si Kuya Ben, so papunta kami sa Hooters at doon ay manglilibre siya ng lunch para sa amin lahat. Let's go!
My flash!